Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal on your phone. First, head to your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for PayPal. Download the official application to your device. It's crucial to use the authentic app to protect your financial information. Once downloaded, simply tap the icon to open it and begin the setup process. After opening the app, you'll have two options: create a new account or login. If you're new to PayPal, select Sign Up and follow the prompts to enter your personal information, like your name, email, and a secure password. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password to access your existing profile. This step ensures your account is linked to you. Now, let's link a way to send and receive money. Go to the Wallet section in the app. You can link a bank account by providing your online banking login information for a secure connection. Alternatively, you can add a debit or credit card by manually entering the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and security code. You can link multiple payment methods for flexibility. To fully activate your account, you might need to complete a few verification steps, such as confirming your email address or a small deposit to your bank. Once verified, you're ready to go. Try sending a small amount, perhaps $5, to a friend or family member to ensure everything works smoothly. You can now confidently use PayPal for online purchases, sending money, and managing your finances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.